Alrighty guys, this will be the elevator here at the Holiday Inn Box here in Fayetteville, Arkansas. Got a very interesting Series 1. Red, Series 1 indicators. Here's an Otis. Yes, we're going there. What you want? Wow. This is cool. Just only get 25 feet per minute. Nah, they found. It's like an older Series 1. These cool green clicky buttons. No, it's not me. There we go. Come on, Otis. There we go. That was really weird. It's a nice elevator. They updated the cab. But look at this. Original Series 1. That. And there we have an Otis technology sticker. Cool. Yeah. Nice hotel. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.